Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Hey y'all. So it is Sunday and it is a lazy day. Lazy. And you want to know why? Because it's raining so hard outside. I was going to go to the gym this morning and run some other errands, but the way that it's raining, I'm in this house. I'm not going anywhere. So it is what time? It's 3:30 at this point. What I did do this morning was make my breakfast that you guys saw. And I've been editing today's vlog. So I just put up day 11 of Vlogmas. So if you haven't checked that out, please go check that out. Yeah, so have you guys been enjoying the Vlogmas series? I hope so. I know it's not much, but I'm thankful for you guys watching, and I'm happy you guys watch. So what we're gonna do is, now that I'm done doing that, I'm gonna juice some things. Oh, I have this back. I'm gonna juice, and then I'm gonna put my tree up, and then we will just play it by ear, okay? So hold on, let me get this juicer together real quick. So this juicer is I feel like it's still kind of like dirty from the last time. Like it's still like, I feel like I can never get it clean. Like still little particles. I guess I could do this after I use it this time around, huh? Work smarter, not harder. But it's like little particles like in the crevices. I have a brush that I can use though. So, okay, so we're gonna put the pieces on. This one first. Before I do that, I'm about to make a protein shake. This is like part of the protein shake that I was drinking yesterday, maybe like a quarter of it. I just added some almond milk to it because, oh, I could have added the egg whites. I forgot I had egg whites. I was about to say I don't have any egg whites, but I did just buy some. Okay, back up. I'm gonna put the nasty protein in it. Because it's nasty, I'm putting my creatine in it because I am loading on creatine again since I was off of it for so long. And this is what I mean by the nasty protein. This is the peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter. At first it wasn't gross, but then as this time has gone, it just tastes gross. I don't know what it is. It tastes like medicine. So, I'm gonna put some collagen in it. So since it's gonna be nasty anyway, might as well put all the things in it. Collagen, and I'm gonna put the creatine. Tomorrow is weigh-in day, and for some reason I got so nervous about what I'm gonna weigh. I literally hate weighing in, but I have to keep track of what's going on. Glutamine. 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, so this is all we are juicing. I thought I had way more, but apparently I don't. 2 things of spinach. You can see the spinach is going bad. We're using it. 2 things of apples. These apples have been in my fridge for a while. These apples I just bought. We're juicing them. All these lemons and ginger. Oh, and I have some blueberries that I'm going to juice with this as well. So this is what we're juicing today. I'm just going to prep by, I got stuff over there. I'm just going to prep by cutting the rind off of this because I don't want this in my juice. because it's bitter and I don't like that taste. And gonna wash it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here. So when I juice, all this will go in here, right? Guys, my knives are just like terrible. All of them. So, and I tried to sharpen them. Girl, I ain't got time for that. I'll just buy some new ones. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a shame. Hold on. Isn't this how it's supposed to be done? I'm just gonna buy new ones because these are what, Farberware? They're about a good 2.5, 3 years old. So, I mean, my mom said you could take them somewhere to get them sharpened, but I don't. How about I just buy new ones? How about that? Okay, hold on. This is not on right. Because we got apple over here. Ugh, it's when I put this, hold on. I need it to be tight and right. Okay. Let's get that down. There. I think that'll be good. Let's try again. There we go. These are ornaments. More ornaments. These are lights. I'm not going to use these lights, I don't think. And this is my tree topper. Let's just put it to the side. Here's the bottom. Skirt. Okay, here's the lights I'm going to use at the bottom. So let's, here goes some tree picks. Okay, are they going to be stuck or are you going to come out? Good. Where is the base? The base. This is the top. So what I do is, because they're all color coordinated, I usually put them in here color coordinated, so when I take them out, they're pretty much the same, so then I won't be like all confused. So these are blues. You guys, I'm watching this, what is this channel called? It's called something. It is called Texas Pictures Video, and these videos are just on people that died of fentanyl poisoning. This is the one I started watching, that first one. Doctor, she was a doctor. A doctor, and was addicted because I guess she got in an accident and needed to, she got addicted to pain pills and died. Was a doctor, was a preacher, was a member of Delta, all of the above, was a full doctor, and still, because her doctor wouldn't prescribe her the drug anymore, so she went and got it from, you know, some people off the street. Her sister said she was gone. came in here because I stopped what I was doing because I need to start on my chicken. I was like, I need to actually eat some food because I've like I said, I haven't really been eating food. Like here and there food, but not really. So I thawed out some chicken wings while I was doing my nails, and then now I seasoned them up with some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, and some this and some pepper. And now I'll put them in the air fryer real quick. Hot. Okay guys, so these are my wings. I just put some hot sauce on them and a little bit of butter. So I'm gonna put all the sauce and everything on here. That's all. That's all. It's the what kind of hot sauce is it? It's the Red Rooster. That's what I use as my buffalo sauce today. Okay guys, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please like the video because that does help my channel out. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye y'all.